Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Kyla and today I'll be showing you how to make these easy matching kids shirts for Christmas. So if that's something you like, hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. So we're in design space at the moment and I'm just going to click on the text and start typing out their names. Then I'm going to go in and upload the Santa hat for the edge of the name. And because it's an SVG, you can see there on the side all the different layers. So we're going to ungroup that and then just separate all the layers away from each other. And I'm going to go and delete all the layers I don't need. Then I'm going to go and slice the excess of the Santa hat that we don't need, because we're working with glitter iron-on vinyl and you can't really layer glitter on top of glitter. So I'll just slice those off. And then you're left with what you actually need. And slice that one off as well. Now you can see the Santa hat as you just put it all back together. And then I'm going to group them together so that I can move them and resize them without them all going different ways and different sizes. Then we're going to go into templates. There's so many different ones you can choose here. Today we're going to go in and find the classic t-shirt. And then we're going to change that to kids short sleeve, and I'm going to leave it as small because they're small kids. Having the template just makes it easier for you to know what size you need to make your vinyl. So I'm just sizing that all up now until I think it looks good. Duplicating that Santa hat to put onto Siser as well. Now I'm going to go through and just look at the different fonts that I can use. So this is what I always do, I just duplicate one of the names so I don't have to retype it and resize it. And I just go through and find which one I think looks the best to me. I did contemplate using that font because it did look cool. But I think I just wanted something a little more simple, so we didn't end up going with it. So here I am just searching for another font, and this is the font I ended up using. I can't say the name so I'll leave the link in the description, or the name in the description. Now I'm just resizing the hats so that they fit well with the size of the name. And I'm going to group those together as well so I can move them and they will stay the same. copying the height of Vienna's name so that hers and Zaya's name are the same height. And I'm going back to the template to make sure that they're a good size, and I did just make it a little bit bigger. And now I've zoomed in a little bit, and I'm going to ungroup these so that I can put the name in the right color so that I can see it visually. So Vienna is going to be in a rose gold and Zaya is going to be in a yellow gold, and then the shirts are going to be black. To remove the grid lines, all you need to do is just go into the corner and hit the square, and then you'll be able to have lots of grid or a little bit of grid or no grid. Having the no grid just makes it easier to see everything. I'm going to be cutting these all on the same mat, well, for the same kind of vinyl. So I'm going to click those three dots, click move object, and then click it to go to the same mat as Vienna's name. And then you can just cut your vinyl, put Vienna's coloured vinyl in one corner and Zaya's coloured vinyl in the other corner. Then I'm going to do the same for the glitter vinyl. Just go into the red, click those three dots, move object, and move it to the white mat. And we're going to mirror both of those because we are working with iron-on and we want our image to be the right way. So I'm going to go and browse all materials, and today I'm working with the Siser Easyweed. So I'm going to click the everyday iron-on because I find that it's a good setting to work with. Then we're going to load the mat up, and as you can see I've got the rose gold and the gold there. And then we're going to go in and do the same for the Santa hat. I'm just checking what size I needed to cut the material out to. And we're going to go and click glitter iron on. Again, this is Siser glitter, Easyweed. You can see the red and the white on the same mat. Makes it a lot easier. We're going to go click finish and get into the fun part. I'm going to turn the Easy Press 2 on, and I'm going to set it to the same temperature as I did for my Christmas video, which I'll link above, and it's just 155 for 30 seconds, which is the recommended temperature for the Siser Easyweed. The glitter vinyl is a little bit more, but because we're going to be layering it and using it so much, I'm just going to leave it at the 155. Just going through and weeding these out now. I like watching people weed, so hopefully it's the same for you guys. Now I'm going to get the Easy Press mat. I'm just going to go ahead and cut up the Santa hat into pieces. And then I'm going to pre-treat the shirt front and back for about 5 seconds. Then I'm going to find the middle of the shirt by folding in underneath the armpits across the front of the shirt and putting an iron on it. Now we're just going to go and put the vinyl on the shirt. And I did about 7 seconds per layer and then another 15 seconds at the end. Which probably seems like a lot, but it didn't burn the shirt at all. And now I'm going to go and layer the Santa hat, and for that I just put the two pieces together so I could see where I wanted them on the Z. And then once I was happy, I removed the white part and then pressed the red Santa hat down. And now I'm going to go and do the same for the white pieces of the Santa hat. So I can press these two together. I might need to cut some of the carrier sheet off so that it doesn't stick to each other. And again, I press these for 7 seconds each layer. And because these is a great product, you can peel these hot, which makes life so good, so much easier than having to wait for it to get cold. I'm going to go ahead and press the back for about 7 seconds, and that's how his shirt turned out, which is really cool. I liked his one. And now we're going to go in and do the same process for Vienna Rose's shirt. I had to zoom in here because I like watching it get peeled off. It's so satisfying. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I actually layer the vinyl, like the glitter that you can see here, just let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do that for you. And that's how the shirts turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below to let me know, or push the like button. And if you would like any more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and I will be happy to provide all those for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!